What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of ice fishing here in winter in Pennsylvania. For the past 2 weeks, I've had a really big warm streak. It sucked. Melted all the ice, melted all the snow, so no more ice fishing for us. As you can see behind me, it's a really crappy day outside. It is basically in the beginning of a blizzard that we're about to have. Today is March 2nd. The winds are at like 35 mile per hour sustained winds with 60 mile per hour gusts. So if this phone gets knocked out of my hand during the intro, you'll know why. There was some snow in the lens there. Yeah, it's pretty cold, windy, as you can tell right there. Snowy, as you can see, not that bad. Okay, let's just get into this intro. So today we're ice fishing at a lake that I went to with that same guy that I did the yellow perch catch and cook with. This is actually part of the same day. I just didn't post the rest of the clips because I didn't want the video to be 20 minutes long. So make sure to go check out his channel, Pocono Outdoors Guy. Josh put me on a lot of good fish this day, so make sure to go check him out. I'll leave a card up above, a card at the end, and I'll put a link below. So please make sure to go check him out. I know you guys will enjoy his channel. He catches huge quality fish and does some other multi-species fishing as well. I'm sure you'll enjoy his channel, so make sure to go check it out and give him some love. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this ice fishing video. Well, I'm gonna see this week if I can get on some fish. But before that, we're just on a big slope down to trout season, and I can't wait. So let's get into this video. Yeah, I missed one. You ever just missed a yellow perch, probably? Could have been a striper, you never know. There we go.
Nice, man.
It's tiny. Little dinky perch. Well,
hey, man,
it's fat. It's fat though, so that's good. He's got a little messed up jaw. He's been caught before. That's awesome. Already a fish. Pretty sick. Yeah, I got hit like 30 times as soon as I hit the bottom. So that's awesome. Surprised the flag hasn't gone off.
I know.
It's right next to it. Go back, buddy. Other way. Oh, that's sick watching him swim straight down. Hopefully I get some bigger ones. I'm hungry for some fish.
You're fishing the exact same hole I pulled that 12.5 out of.
Oh, awesome.
So, I mean, good luck, man. You get them. Look at he's going back down.
Yeah, that's cool.
Swimming down?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Good job, dude.
Thank you. Another one on, guys. Oh, it's a dinker. Yep. I like how they're all fat, though. Yeah, my GoPro just did something weird, but yeah, there's another perch. He's a dinker. A lot better than, a lot smaller than that one. Let's send him down. Oh, other way, bud. Yeah, that was kind of dumb, but... Oh, man, did I pull you up too quick? I think I got one. Oh, that's not a nice one. Come on, Perchy. Oh, it's actually not that nice. Never mind. It's bigger than the last one, but... Woo. Got another little guy. I think we're going to catch a lot bigger ones than this, so he's going to go back. Oh, the school just moved into me. Got one. Oh, this one's digging.
Is that a fish?
Yeah.
Oh, you might need the assist on this one.
Oh, wait. It was digging in the weeds. It's still a good one, but I think it was digging in the weeds. That's why it felt so good at first. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah, I think it was. Are there a bunch of weeds down there?
Not at that depth, there's not.
Oh wow, look at that! Spitting up a bunch of minnows. Ooh. Don't know if that was your bait from yesterday or what. But
This could have been some of my yesterdays.
think that this is eater size, you think, right?
Oh yeah, man. If you were looking to eat them, that's a good one.
Definitely. Yeah, it's a nice one. That's a nice little fat perch.
Good job, dude.
Awesome. Yeah, like there was nothing for like 3 or 4 minutes, and all of a sudden, huge wave
School of them?
huge school came in. Or should I throw those in the live well?
Your call. Your call.
I'm gonna go put one in the live well.
Just pour it out with Steve.
Got one. Oh, got a nice one. Oh, my drag. Dinky. Felt so good at first. We thought.
It's not over.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's going.
It's going. Good stuff, man. Get him.
That's awesome.
Is he there?
Not yet, but he was running still. Come on, don't tell me you dropped it.
I hope not.
Oh, he's there. Got him.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Finally.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh no.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Hopefully I'm not tangling this all up. It's small. Very small.
Hey, it's a fish.
Yeah. Last minute fish.
For sure.
Oh no, I kind of messed this up for you.
No, it's all good, man.
Well, that's just the day, and now I've got to sprint back to the car. Go back, Perch. Yes. Yeah. Go.
You good.
Shoot. All right. Well. Yeah, they are being pretty finicky. They're coming up to it, but they're just not really committing.
Perch seemed to want it still, and the bluegill seemed more.
Yeah. Got one. What do we got? Hey, a perch. Yep, just like you said, it was kept still. Little squeaker, average sized perch in here. Alright, time to get some more. Aye, baby bluegill. Lot of people there.
Yeah, like on the last day it was like 30,000 people or something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jeez, yeah, it must be exhausting.
Probably made 1,000 sales.
That's good. Wow, I'm slaying these dink bluegill. There's literally like a couple hundred down there.
It's like throw it non-stop so you know.
Squeaker time. Oh yeah.
Come on though.
It really is. It's giant. Hey, this is perfect bite sized for a muskie.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez, this bluegill hit like a freight train. Ever got a pickerel through the ice here? Have you ever got a pickerel through the ice here? Okay. Yeah, I've fished here so many times, and I didn't catch a pickerel until September. Oh, this one's a monster. Wow. Just straight up slaying. Alright guys, as you saw, I didn't catch the quality, but I definitely caught the quality the one day. The second day was actually I was going for muskie. I'm not sure if I'll put a picture here or not, or maybe in the beginning, I don't know. But he caught some nice muskie that day. Or actually, he only caught one, but the previous days he caught some nice ones. That's why we went out. That was the last day of ice fishing. The day after that, it was like 60 degrees and all the ice melted, so it sucked. But I hope you enjoy this video. I know I didn't catch the most fish, but I mean the biggest fish, but I caught some nice fish. It's always enjoyable for me to watch ice fishing videos or that kind of stuff, especially here in Pennsylvania, where the winter is supposed to go till like late March, but for some reason it's just ending in the middle of February. So not sure what to do there. Just gonna have to roll with it. Can't wait for trout season. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out Josh's channel. Well, make sure to leave that card at the end. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.